welcome to Draw with Bee. Today we are drawing the Tooth Fairy. We are drawing the cutest Tooth Fairy ever. Start by doing a beautiful upside down heart with straight lines down the bottom. 2 points, so we're going to curve it and then we're going to curve it on the other side here on the right and then join it back up. Next, what we're going to do with this amazing special Tooth Fairy is make sure that she has pretty cool wings and a halo. So I'm going to start with a halo up the top. So do a nice oval shape. You can make it big or small as you like. Then we're going to start with the wings. So bring it out, nice curved line, and then we're going to do nice little cloud looking like curves on the edge here. And you can do some middle bits as well if you like. So I'm going to add a line here. And then I'm going to join it together and put some curves in there too. And do the same on the other side. Bring it out. And then make sure that these two line up. Then start from the bottom and go to the top. And then they look nice and even and amazing. I wonder if the Tooth Fairy's visited your house. She certainly has visited our house a few times so far, which is very magical. Do the inside lines here. Next, what I'm going to do is do some cute little eyes, nice big round ones in the middle here. 1, 2. Give her beautiful reflection dots in the middle of those eyes and a beautiful smiley face in the middle. Then we're going to do beautiful little arms here. I'm going to make them curved, nice skinny lines, and she's going to be holding a little tooth. So I'm going to give her round little hands. You can do whatever shape hands you like. Put a beautiful little tooth in the middle here. Make sure that they're the shape just the way you like them. And then do the same kind of shape in the middle as the Tooth Fairy herself. So do upside down heart, 2 little points. And then I'm going to give this little guy a smiley face because so happy that the Tooth Fairy came and collected him. How cute is that? Lovely. Then what we're going to do is make sure that the arms are holding the tooth properly so you can adjust your lines. Reflection dots in the eyes. I'm going to give her beautiful eyelashes as well. Then what I'm going to do is go over her in marker and I'm going to fast forward this part of the video, add some glitter pens, make her look amazing. So I hope you've enjoyed watching the video and I'll see you soon.